This video is brought to you by Asub12 Productions. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to enjoy the videos. Also, please try and comment and rate the videos. Thank you. 0. Although it's kind of complicated here. You should generally use the keyword null, but if you declare something as 0 or null, that means it doesn't contain anything. If you define something as 0 or null, it means it doesn't contain anything. I just want to define it now, so I get that over and done with. So I'm not going to do it there, but like here, it would be a good idea to define this as null, and this one as null. And just as an example, I'll keep that as M there. Just so you know, this can carry like backslashes, ats, colons, semicolons, whatever, you know, tons of characters. It's not limited to just letters. Anyway, char2 equals null. So you can declare everything as null, just so you know. Now, num1, num2, num3, num4, num5, num6, and then I'll have an end all there. Okay, now we'll do the floats and doubles. F1, D1. Now the booleans, and bear in mind, you don't generally output boolean values because, of course, they output their number value, so either a 0 or a 1. Doesn't make much sense to a human who doesn't know programming, basically. So true, false. I'll just do it as an example, though. Okay. And finally, char variables. Now, I'm not actually sure if this will compile, because we're trying to output null variables, but we'll try it anyway. Okay, there we go. So I'll just save this and build the solution. Okay, it succeeded anyway. So, good thing. And notice those... wait. Oh well, I don't know what that means. Anyway. But that's one warning. We only got one warning. But remember last time we got warnings for these two variables because we didn't define them, okay? Now we've defined them as null. It doesn't give us the warnings about them. And if we just run this anyway... Oh, whoops. We forgot to put the std sin.get. Okay, rebuild F7. Okay, there we go. And I'll just press the stop. Okay, so here we go. Let's check this out. So for num1 we have 5. Yep, that's right. See, 5. For num2, 6. Yep, 6. Num3, 0. Remember I said null is defined as 0, and if you declare a variable as 0 or null, it's null. You just say. Okay, well I'm kind of confusing you probably here, but null is a keyword in lots of files, and it's defined here. See, if we hover over it, it says define null 0. So null means basically 0, or no value, as in null. Okay. So anyway, sorry, a bit confusing there. Num4 8, yeah, num5 2, and num6 0 or null. F1 5.78, D1 6.85767, and now onto these boolean values. False is 0, example is 0, and example 2 is 1. Okay, and later I'll just make yeah, well, I'll do that later anyway. And now we have M and then a null value. Now, even though this doesn't output 0, notice it compiles. That's all we're really worried about here, is that it compiles, okay? That's all it really matters. And now, just as an example, example 3. I'm going to declare this as blah, you know, whatever, some random positive number. Then I'm going to declare example 4 as minus some random negative number. And now I'm going to output them both, and you may be surprised with the what the output is actually. And example 4. Okay, now F7 to build. Okay, and this little stop button here. Okay, now here we have it. Let's just go back. So here you can see 0, 0, 1, yeah, that's usual. But here, 1, 1. So why is this happening? Because we gave a completely random number. Well, it doesn't matter what the number is, it just converts it. So long as it's not 0, it converts it to 1. And if it's 0, it just keeps it as 0. So that's just a cool little thing I thought you might be interested in seeing. And anyway, I kind of wanted to get onto input. We'll do that in the next tutorial though. I'll just have a quick tutorial over that. Anyway, this is the end of tutorial 3. I hope you enjoyed it. Over and out.